Hello friends, this is Rahul. Let's simply learn robotic process automation with UiPath. In this video, we will see example of merge data table activity. We will merge two different data tables and write it into the Excel files. Let's open the UiPath Studio. Name it to the process. Create it. Open our main workflow. Go to the activity panel. Create a sequence. Here we will extract structural data from the Flipkart application. For that we will use data scraping option. Now here we will use first of all open browser activity to open the application, that is flipkart.com. Then we will use maximize window to maximize the browser. Here we will select the browser type as on Chrome. Then we will use type into activity. Before that, let's open the Flipkart application. Now indicate on screen and select the type text box. We will put the value as a laptop to search it. Then we'll use click to search the product. Now we will use data scraping. For that, first of all, let's search the product. Let's use data scraping option. Click on next, indicate on select the name. Then here second element, select the second element, click on next. This is the second element that we will select. We will name it to the column laptop name and click on next. If you want to extract the URL, we can extract the URL as well, but here we will not do that. Click on next. Here you are able to see all the names getting extracted. Here maximum number of result 0 for all, and if we put some value, then it will extract for that value. Here we'll keep it as a 10, so it will extract the 10 records. Then extract correlated data. Here we will extract few correlated details like rating. Click on next. Rating. Click on next. Rating get extracted. Again extract correlated data, that is price. Click on next. Price. Next. Finish it. Here if data spamming multiple pages, let's say we have to extract data from the multiple pages, then we'll click on yes. If not, then we'll click on no. In this case we will not extract it, that's why we'll click on no. Here extract data table variable gets created by default. Just we will make the changes in the scope, that is sequence, and here we will use close application to close the browser. Now we will use another application, that is Amazon.com, and we will extract the data from Amazon.com. Again, first activity would be open browser, and here we will put the URL Amazon.com. Then another activity is maximize window. Similarly, we will use here type into activity, search the product, that is laptop. We will make some changes here, that is wait for it is interactive, uh, and click on search. Again, this is also we will make some change, wait for it is an interactive. Now here also we will use data scraping. First we will search product laptop, and then here we will use a data scraping option to extract the data. Select the element, so we will first select the name, then similarly select the second element, so we will select the second element. Again, its name, we will make the column name as laptop name. We'll keep this as 5. Then extracted correlated data, here we will extract price. Next, and we will finish. Here we will just extract the name and the price. Click on no, and again we will use a close application to close the application. Yeah, let's make some changes in the variable selectors. Sorry, we'll make it as star. Yes, similarly let me check some properties here. Wait for ready, we have to make it as interactive. Wait for ready, we have to make it as an interactive. Browser we have selected as an Chrome. Similarly here also we have to make the browser as an Chrome. Let's make some changes in the variable for extracted data table. Here we'll make the extract data table 1. Yes, automatically it gets changed, and scope would be the sequence. Now we will use a merge data table activity which will merge two different data tables. So we will set some properties here for merge data table activity, that is destination and source. So destination would be extract data table, and source would be extract data table 1. Now merge table activity will merge two different data tables. Now we have to write it into the Excel file. For that we will use Excel application scope and name it to laptop details dot excel 6, and we will create a new file. Yes, and we will use here write range activity, and we will provide a variable, that is extract data table 1, the extract data table, sorry, and we will Yes, so we'll change the add headers property as in true. So headers would get added, would be get added. Yeah, that's it in our workflow. So here, first of all, we will extract the data from Flipkart application. Another, we will extract the data from the Amazon application, and then we will merge it, and then we will write it on the Excel file. That's what our flow. Let's close this. Save this and let's run it. Yes, execution completed. Let me check the Excel file. Yeah, here you'll able to see it will extract the data and write it into the Excel file. In first case, we have extracted data from the three fields: laptop, rating, and price. But when we extract the data from Amazon side, there we have extracted only from two fields, that is laptop name and price. The similar way you can see it has been added in appropriate columns. Yeah, in this way you can use merge the table activity. That's it in this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.